Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to make this cute scrunchie with inverted petals and leaf, alternate petal and leaf, alternate petal and leaf pattern. So let's go ahead and check out for the material required and how to make this. Okay, for this project, I am using the spare yarn. This is 3-ply cotton baby pink color yarn, and this is blue. Both are very light color yarn, but it might appear dark to you in the camera. So let's start. And also I require this black or any color plain crunchy you can take, and a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm, and this is my lucky crochet hook I use often. Okay, now very first thing is I'll cover this scrunchie with single crochet stitch, grabbing my yarn from bottom, and I'll make a chain stitch, or you can say I'll lock my yarn, grabbing my yarn under the scrunchie and pulling through and making one single crochet like this. Every time you have to grab the yarn from down the scrunchie like this and make a single crochet. You can hide the this yarn, the tail, along with the single crochet stitches. So you have to keep pressing it this side so that you will not get that black thing. It will get cover all. Keep crocheting in the same way, cover all the scrunchie, all black part of the scrunchie, and I'll see you here. Okay, so here I am done completing all my single crochets. I have covered the scrunchie as much possible I can. You can still see this teeny tiny black part, but that is okay. Now in my next round, what I'm gonna do is I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 chains, and now I will make a leaf here. Starting from the second chain from the hook, I'll make a single crochet, a half double crochet, double crochet, one more double crochet, one half double crochet in the next chain, and a single crochet here, like this. Now I'm going to turn my work and do a slip stitch in the next stitch. So I've got one of my leaf here. Or what you can do is, after making a slip stitch, you can make a slip stitch in this part, in the back loops of the leaf, and start making a slip stitch all over so that our leaf will be stiff. Okay, I now have completed this scrunchie with all single crochets. I have tried to cover it all. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my work and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 chains up. Here basically we will do a leaf. So I'll make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I'll make one half double crochet, then double crochet, one more double crochet, I'll make one half double crochet, one single crochet here, and a slip stitch in the next stitch, like this. Now I will turn my work like this, and in the back loop of first back loop I'll make a slip stitch like this, and I'll keep making slip stitches all over now to give it a shape of a leaf. I'll make one chain on the top and a single crochet in the same stitch, a slip stitch. Then I'll keep doing slip stitches till I reach the other end. And I'll make a slip stitch in the next stitch. This. But here I will see my leaf will look like this. Now here I will not complete this slip stitch. I'll grab another color yarn, the blue one, and I'll make a chain stitch up. Then I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and I'll leave 1, 2, 3 stitches here, and I'll make a single crochet like this. Here I'll make a petal. Okay, I'll cut this yarn, this tail afterwards, or I can cut it right now. Now I'll turn my work, I'll do a slip stitch here, I'll make 3 chains up, 1, 2, 3, and make 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3 already made. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So my 10 double crochets are completed. I'll again turn my work on the right side, and I'll make a slip stitch through this first double crochet or the 3 chains which we have taken at the start. I'll pull my yarn through this first double crochet and pull through the back loop and make a slip stitch. So my one inverted petal, bell like petal is ready, as you can see, or a cone like petal is ready. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the very next stitch here, and a slip stitch in the next stitch, but I will not complete this. I'll grab pink color yarn again, this. Now I'll make 7 chain up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the way we have made this petal will make it here as well. So single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and a single crochet. Then I'll make a slip stitch in another stitch like this. Then I'll turn my work like this, and on the first stitch I'll make a slip stitch here. on the back side of the sleeve, first stitch I'll make a slip stitch, and I'll keep making slip stitches on the top. I'll make slip stitch, one chain and a slip stitch, and again I'll keep making slip stitches through all the back loops. And I'll make a final slip stitch in the next stitch. So my second this thing is ready, leaf is ready. So I'll keep continuing this way, and now again in the next chain I'll take a slip stitch, but I'll not complete it. I'll grab my blue color yarn and I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, leaving 1, 2, 3 chains here. In the bottom I'll make a single crochet. Then I'll turn my work and I'll make a slip stitch inside this chain 4 space. I'll make 3 chains up and 9 double crochet, total 10 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I'll turn my work like this, and from the first space, from the first 3 chain space or 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet which we have made as 3 chains, I'll grab my yarn and pull through the last loop, making it as a slip stitch, and my another petal is ready like this. So I'll keep making one leaf of pink color, one petal, one leaf, one petal, and I'll complete this round this way. I'll see you at the end of this round. Okay, so I'm done here finally, and I'm making my last slip stitch into the first single crochet which we have taken, and I'm gonna pull the yarn a little bit, a little tail, and I'll cut my yarn, and my scrunchie is finished now. I'm done with my work. So I'm gonna hide this tail. Okay, so I'm done with my scrunchie, and it looks like this after getting finished. So likewise you can also try this pattern, and I've made few more patterns, very easy to go. This is the scrunchie with small flowers, as you can see back to back. I've made 3 petal tiny flowers. You can try this pattern. Then I have made another scrunchie with 1 petal, 1 leaf, 1 petal, 1 leaf back to back, and it looks so pretty, as you can see. So you can try many, and this one I've tried with only petals. So you can take colors of your choices, you can make them. It's very quick, very easy to make. So go ahead and try these cute scrunchies, and let me know in the comment how did you like it. And keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.